Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors, and thank you for coming to my channel to watch a video today. I have an unboxing video of some products that I received from Beebeecraft. If you're not familiar with Beebeecraft, they are an online website where you can get art and craft supplies at wholesale prices, and the range of products that you can get there is just immense. They have tons of products for scrapbooking and card making, um, for resin work, for wax seals, paper and metal dyes, beads, and all the supplies you would need for jewelry making. There are flatbacks and charms and cabochons, and I could just go on and on about everything that they have there. But let me just talk for a minute about how I got the products that I'm going to show you. They have a YouTube program where you can receive free products to work with. If you're a crafty channel with more than 100 subscribers, you can apply to be in their program and do videos in exchange for the products that you get. So I'm going to leave the link for the YouTube program as well as their main website, and links for all the products that I'm going to show you, and my new discount code for this year, which is Diana20. And that will still save you 10%, but they have changed it to Diana20 because the other one expired. So thank you, Beebeecraft, and let me show you what I chose. First of all, I got some of this gold thread, and you get so much of this for such a little price. And it's very nice and sparkly. You can see how pretty it is. And if I have time at the end of this video, I will add a project share onto this video. So you get 20 spools of this for only $4.65. So the next thing I chose is this ticket shaker die. I love shakers now, and I love tickets, so this was a good combination for me. So they call it a ticket and postage stamp shaker set. So you can see you have tickets here with the stitching going around the outside, which I like that detail. You have some words. It says hi, love, happy, and then you have the little shaker bits that you can cut out if you want to use those inside your ticket shakers. And then they have the one that is the postage stamp. This is the larger of the two. Here's another ticket one here. This also comes with the little shaker bits you can cut out and use yourself. And this is the last piece, the square postage stamp. So this is going to be fun to play with. And this was $3.89 for the set, and not bad at all. The next thing I chose, and I did take it out of the box here, is this set of beads. And I thought the yellow one was very pretty. They have other colors you can choose from, but I really liked this for the pink beads that was in here coming up for Valentine's Day. And I think a little bit of yellow that comes with it is really nice, and the mint green with it. And you can see you get all kinds of beads in here. There's crackle beads and berry beads. the ones with the smooth finish on them and the shiny mirror finish. And it also comes with some chain and lobster clasps and the wire or stretchy elastic if you want to use these to make bracelets with. And I believe these are 16 to 20 millimeters. The hole is big enough for pokey tools and pens that you could make with those as well. So these were, oops, wrong one, $7.61 for those beautiful beads. Okay, so a while ago I had bought some of these bottle caps, and the ones that I got did not come with the glass covering there, but this one does. So you get 40 of the bottle caps and 40 of the coverings, and it comes in a nice case there. Here's the back of the some of the bottle caps. There's different colors, and I'm very glad to have the glass domes that go in there. I'm not sure if they're actual glass, but clear domes, let's call them that. And let's see, the last thing I got are these. Oh, that was $6.92 for 80 pieces altogether. I got these envelope charms, and they have the cute little hearts on them, the two sparkly hearts, and that heart there. And the hole goes through this heart and onto the other side there. Or you can use them as flatbacks and cabochons. And they are, I think, 1.5 inches. They're good size, and you get 30 of them. So I think these are really pretty for Valentine's Day coming up. And these were $8.66 for the 30 pieces. So that is my Beebeecraft order that I got. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to try and answer them for you. And all the links will be in the description box. And now, if there is time, we will have a project share. And if not, it will be coming up very soon. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time or in a minute with something new.